Now, before going to the question hour, Sri Jairam Ramesh the other day mentioned that we need to enhance the number of members to be sitting in this house. We have gone through in detail. The Secretariat, after wider consultation, came to the conclusion if you are to maintain the distance, safe distance, this is the best way. But still, I asked him to sit with the Secretariat people and work out if there is a better way to accommodate more people without compromising on this. In fact, the Central Hall also the other day, I can be frank, they proposed to have more people. I told them, as long as the Health Ministry and the Home Ministry guidelines for that do gaj ka duri and then this wearing mask are there, our self-compromising on that and altering it will send a wrong message to the country. After all, people will be also looking into what is happening here, what is the leaders are doing, etc. So I appeal to all, please understand the situation. I will be more than happy if all my members are here in this house, here or there and all. But in spite of our best intentions, this is not working out to be practical. That's the reality. But still, if there is a way, if members can give some suggestions, they can discuss it with Secretariat and later come to me so that that thing can be looked into. And then coming to the issue of the simultaneous translation, members are required to give in writing in advance their intention to speak in a particular language which has been permitted, so that those people, interpreters, can be informed in advance and they will be ready. As I told you already last time, they are not permanent employees. We have not yet got that system. But they are working on our request and also on a time basis. So keeping that in mind, please inform the chair. And some words, some comment, just complimentary or any this thing can be said now, which will be understood by members by and large about in a particular language. If somebody says Nandri or Vanakkam or Dhanyavad, that broadly known. Otherwise, it will be difficult for the House to understand what the member is saying in spite of his best intention and my intention to have such a discussion. This 21st of this month is International Mother Language Day. This 21st, UNESCO, United Nations have given a call. I appeal to all the members, it's a suggestion, that please in your respective areas, you conduct some function where this aspect is highlighted, because the children of the country, they deserve to be taught initially in their mother tongue. We are not against any language. We should learn as many languages possible, including English. That also will be useful for international communication, etc. But the states and the center, as per even the latest national education policy, they need to promote mother tongue. I'm happy yesterday PM said even engineering and medical courses also slowly we must go to our native languages, mother tongue and all. And some time back the Supreme Court also permitted translation. It's not permitting translation alone. It is transacting the proceedings of the High Courts and Supreme Courts later, and also the other works of public administration where the local or the state-wide recognized language, state-recognized language is used. This is what I want every member to keep in mind. Question hour, Srimati Jarna Das Vaidya.